Wow, Shivansh, where did you make this?
At school.
Let's make it today.
Hello everyone!
This is Shivansh.
And this is Mahita.
Welcome to our channel.
Today we're doing lava lamp experiments.
We need water, oil, a container preferably with a lid, fizzy tablets,
And food coloring.
Let's begin. First, add oil, about 2/3 of the container. Now add about 1/3 of the container of water. Make sure you don't fill it to the top.
Oh wow! The water is sinking to the bottom. But why?
That is because of density. The denser something is, the more stuff there is packed into it. If you weigh a cup of water and oil, the water weighs more.
That means the water is more dense than the oil. That makes the water sink to the bottom.
Next, add the food coloring. Your turn, Shivansh.
Oh my god, it's still not mixing. There is one more reason why water and oil do not mix. Water has polar molecules.
Polar molecules both have a negative end and a positive end, and they stick together like magnets.
The oil has non-polar molecules. That means they don't have a negative side or a positive side.
Since the water molecules are looking for positive or negative charge, they won't mix with the oil molecules. Now put your fizzy tablet in the lava lamp and watch it come to life. Wait for it.
Oh my god. Mine is hitting there.
Look at that. It's bubbling. When you add in the fizzy tablet, a chemical reaction happens, causing carbon dioxide bubbles to form.
The water droplets stick to the bubbles and ride to the top of the bottle.
When the carbon dioxide bubbles escape, the water droplets sink back to the bottom.
It's a density disco.
A bubbly ballet.
Try this experiment at home.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye!